Have you ever wanted to create a mixed media tag on acrylic or acetate? I'm going to show you how I do it and give you a few tips along the way. First thing for any project is to pull out a bunch of items that you might want to use. I do this often, probably for all of my projects. I always pull out more than I am actually going to be using. That way I have it on hand and I could just reach right there on my desk if I want or feel like I want to use something. I am taking a Biggs die. This one is from Tim Holtz. They no longer make this die, but you can definitely cut out your tag by hand. This clear sheet is very thin, but thick enough to be able to use for a tag like this. I am going to next stamp out the floral images that I want. I absolutely love these floral images from Altenew, and I have used these a few times in the past for some projects, and I absolutely love the outcome when I stamp them on beautiful pattern paper like this. This paper is from AB Studios, and then I use black embossing powder and heat set that, and it melts the embossing powder. I did stamp and cut out more than I needed. That way I have them on hand because I didn't know exactly how many or which ones I was going to use at the time. The clear scraps sheets come in 12 by 12 sheets, and they have two layers, one on the front and one on the back of clear, I guess, protective film. I only pull off the top layer and I leave the bottom layer. That way when I'm adding gesso and paint and paste, I don't get anything on the back of the tag and it stays nice and clear and crisp. And then I could just take that off at the end after I'm completely done with the tag. All right, so I use some clear gesso on the top of the tag. This is going to help when you are wanting to add any paint, or in this case, I'm going to be using some color bloom spray. You need some sort of gesso so that your mediums can have something to grab onto. You need a little bit of tooth because it is plastic. If you're using a water-based medium to color your project, it won't stick to the plastic, obviously. So I am going to use some paper paste and a stencil, and of course all of the supplies are listed down below for you guys so you guys can check it out. And at this time I did want to mention this is a collaboration with some of my channel members. I have some amazing talented channel members, and I thought it would be a great idea to introduce you to some of them that have YouTube channels. You will not be disappointed. They are some of the most talented, amazing people that I know, and I'm so grateful that they support me. So this is just a little tiny way that I can give back to them and show my appreciation for them, for those that do have YouTube channels. So be sure to check them out and show them some love. I will have all of their links down below in the description box. All right, so after I added the color, which was Dragonfly Blue, to my tag, and I did darken it up with some black color bloom spray as well, so that it gives more depth to the project. This project was pretty simple. I honestly have not been in the mood to create lately. I'm just so stressed out. So I wanted to keep this tag simple, and I'm just going to start layering things up. That chipboard piece is from Scrapinique. It's so beautiful and delicate. And then I kind of just add a little bit of flowers here and there, and another chipboard piece from Too Crafty Chipboard. I am adding a few 49 and Market flowers. They are absolutely beautiful. And again, I wanted to keep this simple, so I just added that dragonfly there, which is from Prima, some splatters, a chipboard word piece from Tim Holtz, and that is going to be it for my tag. I hope you guys enjoyed. I know this is a shorter video. Be sure to check out the description box for all of the other channels in this collaboration. You will not be disappointed. Also, leave me a comment letting me know if you've ever created a acetate or acrylic tag. I would love to know. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you later. Bye!